Hello, I'm Martin Dorey and I am here in sunny Suffolk today at the paddock at Catley Cross. It's gloriously sunny and it's a great time for me to introduce you to the Tribute range. But I'm also going to try and introduce you to an idea and to try and inspire you to go local, find local produce, eat locally, eat fresh, eat seasonal. It's wonderful stuff out there and we can find it. And we can do that in the Tribute. Now, the Tribute range starts with a medium wheelbase van conversion and goes all the way up to this beautiful 6-berth motorhome. These are entry level, but of course, with Auto Trail, this means that entry level isn't just entry level. So you might be talking about awnings, glass in your door, reversing cameras, and a really nicely specced out kitchen, which I will show you later on. But first, of course, we got to find out how the thing drives. The beauty of shopping local, of course, is you don't have to go very far. So it's just a couple of minutes to the farm where I'm going now. And actually, you know, it's no chore to get in this motorhome and drive a few miles. Actually, it's no chore to get in this motorhome and drive a few hundred miles. So I've come in the Tribute down here to Boydell's Dairy Farm to meet Kylie here. He's going to show me a whistle-stop tour of the farm, talk to me about the produce that they produce here and also where people like yourselves can get it from. So Kylie, what have you got here on the farm?
Well, predominantly I milk sheep is what we specialise in. We've been doing that for 30 odd years. Then we have a mixture of other animals because we also do farm tourism. So we've got cows, sheep, goats, donkey, pony, llama, lambs, kids, calves, chickens, ducks, geese, turkeys, you name it.
Wow, okay.
And people can come and buy the produce from us, from the farm.
Fantastic. So people can come and buy the produce that's produced on this farm from your farm shop?
Exactly, yeah.
Will you show me the shop?
I will.
Let's
Come
go.
on, let's go.
I quite like the look of this stuff. Hebridean seaweed, semi-soft sheep milk cheese with light coating of pure wild Hebridean seaweed. That is fantastic. I can't wait to try some of that. I've come 3 minutes down the road to Broomhills Farm where I'm hoping to meet Verity, the farmer's wife. They rear and sell their own beef and lamb and I'm hoping to pick up a lovely bit of steak. Right, Verity, hello.
Hello.
So this isn't like a proper shop, is it? So
No,
tell me what's going on here. This is your
so,
farm?
Yeah, so primarily we farm and then we sell some of the beef and lamb that we produce on farm, so people can buy direct.
Right, fantastic. That's amazing. Right, I need to have a rummage. What have we got? Oh, that's the main ingredient sorted. Now to get something to wash it down. So I've bought the Tribute just 3 miles down the road to the Nethergate Brewery. Let's go and see what they've got. So look, the beer they make is brewed in there. 2 weeks later, it's served in there. How more local could you get? And I'm going to see if I can find something to go with my sheep's cheese. Okay, right, hello.
Hello.
I really like hoppy beers and I like golden ales. Could you recommend me a couple that I could have? Nice, light, summery, something to have with a bit of salad and some meat. Ooh, that is different, isn't it?
It is.
Oh, they're both good though. I might have to have one of each, if that's all right. Well, to take away, obviously, because I'm driving. But yeah, no, they're fantastic. So here we go, I'm sorted. Okay, look, I've got all my ingredients. So I thought, before I start cooking, I shall take you on a little tour of the outside of this. Look, this is an Auto Trail. It belongs to the Auto Trail family. So while it might be at the budget end of the Auto Trail, entry level, it still belongs to the rest of the fleet. Inside the T736G, right. Huge bed at the back with a garage underneath. We've got a massive wardrobe, heating, and a bathroom with a separate shower and loo. Kitchen, really nice, good sized sink, lots of chopping surface, 3 rings, proper oven, microwave, and a big old fridge. When you're a family of 6, you're going to be bringing quite a lot of stuff with you, and that is all going to fit in this enormous garage. And there's one thing that I brought for myself. Obviously, we've got to keep the troops entertained. time for tea. Right, well, look, this is business time, isn't it? Time to get on some hot water because I'm going to boil up some spuds, and that's going to be a potato salad with a little bit of mint and a little bit of that sheep's yogurt. So I'm going to boil up a couple of the fresh eggs from the farm in that water as well. Saves gas, saves water, saves time. And then to our salad with a little bit of this fantastic sheep's cheese. So, oh, that's really nice. But the great thing about the Tribute is that there's such a lot of work surface. You find some of these, some other vans that are 6 berth, you'd be surprised how small the kitchen is. And actually, we need 3 rings, and we need an oven, and we need lots of chopping space. So this is just great. I really like it. And then the next thing, beautiful meat from Verity's farm down the road. Actually does have a barbecue point outside, which is fantastic. But today, I want to be right in control of this steak. I'm going to sizzle it super hot and super quick. There it goes. Fantastic. That's looking pretty special. So while that's finishing off, I've got some fresh mint here with some of that sheep's yogurt as a really quick and super lovely potato salad. Out it comes. So I think I'm pretty much ready. Right, so there you go. The 736 has taken me everywhere I need to go. And I've got all this within a few miles radius of my pitch. So you know what? I may be 350 miles from my home in Cornwall, but I feel like a local. Cheers.